Marie Garinger joins me now from Metal Mark Climbing and Fitness, and I just found out the world's largest indoor
rock climbing gym.
Wow.
Right.
Fresno.
So there's right. We have one location in Fresno.
We have 9 on the chain.
Right, 9. Right. There's
Soon to be 10.
Soon to be 10. We have 2 in San Francisco, 1 in Oakland, Berkeley, Concord, San Jose, Sacramento, Los Angeles, and Fresno.
Yeah. And the one here in Fresno is at Granite Park.
It's at Granite Park.
Can't miss it when you drive by that.
Right, big old butterfly right there.
Big
on
old.
the side.
What's that all about? What's it?
Well, it was just, it's just kind of, the metal mark is actually a butterfly. That's
is that what it is?
Right, that's how it kind of started out, the whole thing, and it kind of metamorphosed and just so it has nothing to do with metal or mark, it's a butterfly. And they just like the logo when they tweaked it a little bit. If you look at our logo, it's actually some cams that are used for climbing. So it's just kind of a little bit more industrial than regular butterfly.
Now, you have more than just a climbing wall in there, right?
Right. We're full fitness also. A lot of people don't know that, but we have locker rooms, showers, a towel service, which a lot of gyms don't do anymore. It's free to our members.
Well, my gym does it, but it's $1 if you want to use the towel.
Yeah, no, ours are free, and we have 2 different sizes, too. Ooh, so we're special. Small and large. And then we have full fitness also. So we have a cycling room, and we also have a fitness room. So we have cycling classes, boot camp classes, Zumba, yoga, a lot of good.
Is there a pool there?
No pool.
No pool.
No pool. No, that's
Everything but.
Everything but the pool, yeah. So, and it's a great community that we're actually, creating there, which is a lot different. Climbing is very social. We don't have audible A's, so you actually have to have someone to climb with. So it becomes very social. First thing I learned when I first started there was like people would come in and stay for hours. Whereas fitness gyms, you go in, you do your workout, you leave. Here they come and they're there. It's not unusual to see members there 3-4 hours.
Doing what?
Just climbing,
just
hanging out. It's a very social environment that we've created.
You brought a few pictures of people.
I did. We also have the picture that's up is Kids Camp. So we have kids programs also. So we have kids' birthday parties. We run summer camps, after school camps. We have kids belay. So if a parent doesn't want to climb or learn how to climb, but their child is a little climber, bring in, and I have staff that will belay the kids for, it's $15 an hour.
Do the parents have to stay, or?
We do ask that they stay there.
Yeah.
So, and most
You're not
of the parents,
babysitting service.
No, we're not a babysitting service. And most parents stay and they're just click away on that camera. They post it on Facebook. They, parents get really proud of their kid that goes up. So.
All right. Who's climbing the wall here?
Here we've got, looks like it's some of our top rope climbers. So they're climbing. We have 3 kinds of climbing. Top rope has an anchor up at the top, and the rope is looped through twice on an anchor. We have bouldering, shorter walls. Sometimes people think it's easier, but it's actually more difficult and technical. So I tell people take the hardest part of the big wall or the top rope, cut it out, and it's more technical, a little bit harder to do, but it's also good training, something you can do by yourself. So a lot of climbers, if they don't have a partner, will go in and boulder. And then we have lead climbing. This is for someone who's more advanced, someone who does a lot of climbing outdoors. So a lot of the outdoor climbers use the gym as a training playground.
Don't have to go to the mountains. Just
no. And when it gets too hot, if it's too hot outside or too cold, a lot of the climbers will be in. Right now it's good weather for outside, so a lot of the members are out climbing right now.
Okay. All right. Looks like this guy's on just a treadmill there.
Right. We have our cardio equipment actually faces the wall, so we don't have any TVs at our gym.
What?
No TVs. So the entertainment is actually watching people climb. So it gets pretty interesting. We also have competitions, which is a picture that's up on the screen right now. We have in-house competitions, and basically Touchstone Climbing goes from gym to gym of all the gyms that we own, and we host a competition. So at our competitions, we give out prizes. It's free to the members, $10 for a non-member. They get a T-shirt, pizza, beer when they're done climbing. It's just a big party is what we do. So
you had to mention pizza, didn't you?
I know, and you have a pizza place.
One of our local
Might
pizza
have to
places
talk to
coming
him
up here
about
shortly.
Pizza for us.
What is it? The Richie's Pizza. Yeah. Whoa, we can't wait for that. All right. So what is it to join? Do you have any special third anniversary you're celebrating
Third
right
anniversary coming up this Thursday. We're having it from 9 to 9 at night. Again, it's free to our members. Usually we have a DJ there. We'll have a barbecue. We try to have a barbecue or pizza party at least once a month for our members. So we try to give back to our members, again, creating that social atmosphere there. So
now? No, you said 9 to 9. The barbecue's not
I mean,
all day
5
long.
to 9.
Oh, 5 to 9.
5 to
Okay,
9.
okay.
I'm sorry. Yeah, 5 to 9. So we'll have some music. We'll have some games that we play. We actually have this barrel that we made and we are barreling.
So we get members up on, it's just fun. It's just a very social, fun.
And anybody can stop by? Check the
Anybody
gym
can
out?
stop them by, check the gym out. We are waiving the initiation fee that day, so it's usually $100 to join. So we're going to waive it that day, so just try to create more new members and get more people involved in climbing.
Cool. All right. Metal Mark Climbing and Fitness. They're in Fresno's Granite Park celebrating their 3-year anniversary Thursday?
Thursday?
This Thursday from 5 to 9. Lots of goodies out there. Anything else you want to add? Website, Facebook? What do you have?
We have a Facebook page, it's Metal Mark Climbing, and we also have a website, it's touchstoneclimbing.com. And just, want to let people know that we're just more than climbing. We are fitness, it's it's actually a home away from home for a lot of our members, and people just like going there, hanging out. We're very kid-friendly, so a lot of times we have families that will bring all their kids in, and they climb with their kids. So it's a really good bonding time with their children. So
Yeah.
that's one thing that you will see a lot of. We do have childcare for morning moms, from 9 to 11.
Let me tell you, if you've never tried climbing those walls, it's a workout.
It's a workout.
I discovered that one day at one of the local places that had it, and the poles,
Oh, the pole.
stripper poles.
Yeah, we
I
don't
mean,
have stripper poles, but
They have exercise classes with those things. And
Right,
if you've
they
tried to
do.
do that,
Right.
that is work.
climbing is very difficult. It's a lot harder than most people think, and it's a great workout.
Are you
So-
still teaching classes yourself?
I still teach classes myself.
You still got that little rock hard body there?
Still, I tried.
Wow.
So I still teach 5:30.
Well, we go
and-
back a long way,
A long
many years ago,
way.
to Center Point here in the Tower District.
Used to take
And-
my classes.
Oh, man, could she put you through a workout?
So I'm still teaching a boot camp class on Tuesdays and Thursday mornings at 5:30 a.m.
5:30 a.m.
Yeah, we open at 5 in the morning. Our hours are 5 a.m. to 10 p.m. Monday through Friday.
Scott's out of that one.
From 8 to 6 on Saturday and 10 to 6 on Sunday.
Awesome, awesome. All right. Metal Mark Climbing and Fitness celebrating their 3-year anniversary this Thursday. Go out there, grab some barbecue, and you can avoid that $100
Initiation.
fee.
Right.
Marie, thank you for coming in today.
Thank you.
And we'll be back with more on Chuck Leonard's Central Valley Buzz.